In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email notification settings on Jotform. Now let's dive straight into it. If you're someone who relies on Jotform for collecting important information, whether for business, educational purposes, or event organizing, staying up to date with the submissions is crucial. Fortunately, Jotform makes it incredibly easy to manage how you receive these updates, especially changing where these email notifications are sent. First, you'll need to head over to the Jotform website. It's as simple as searching for Jotform in your preferred web browser or typing in www.jotform.com into the address bar. Upon reaching the home page, the next immediate step is to log into your account. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. This step is essential as changes to notification settings can only be made from within your account. Logging in could involve different methods based on how you've set up your account. Many users prefer the convenience of signing in with Google, but Jotform supports other platforms as well. Choose the option that you originally used to create your account. Once signed in, navigate to the My Forms section. It's easily accessible from the dashboard or sometimes directly from the home page after logging in. In the My Forms area, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created or have access to. Identify the form for which you wish to change the email notification settings. Then gently hover over the form and click on Edit Form. This action will take you into the Forms Builder interface. Inside the Form Builder, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Settings. This section is where Jotform encapsulates all form-related settings, including email notifications. Now look for the Emails tab within the Settings menu. Opening this tab will reveal all email templates associated with your form, including notifications and autoresponders. To specifically change where the submission notifications are sent, look for the email notification template. It's often labeled something intuitive like notification email. Next to it, you'll find a pen icon, which, when clicked, lets you edit this particular email template. After opening the editor for the email notification, click on the Recipients tab. This is where you'll find the crux of today's tutorial. Within this section lies the field for the recipient email. It's here that Jotform allows you to specify where submission notifications are sent. You might currently see your email address or a default one set by Jotform. Now, to change or add to this, simply click on the area where the email is displayed. If you're adding a new email, you might see an option to add another email field, or you can directly input a new address replacing the old one. This flexibility ensures that the right team members or departments receive the form submissions directly, which can streamline processes or ensure prompt responses. After entering the new email address or addresses you wish the notifications to be sent to, make sure to save your changes. There's typically a Save button either at the top or the bottom of the settings panel. Clicking this commits your changes and thus updates where your email notifications are directed. It's worth mentioning that you can always come back to adjust these settings, whether you're changing roles, onboard a new team member, or simply prefer a different workflow. Editing the recipient email is just a few clicks away. That wraps up our guide on how to change the email notification settings on Jotform. Simple, right? With these easy steps, you'll stay informed and on top of every form submission without hassle. Remember, keeping your notification settings updated ensures that no important information slips through the cracks. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore all the other powerful features that Jotform offers to make your data collection process as seamless and efficient as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.